Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni page but subscribe ya u Antor News.
Deputy Commissioner ke East Khasi Hills USC Sadhu lalum kajingelang Chief Executive Officer jong Keselong Containment Board SCB bat Keselong Municipal Board SMB. Hakabayadai bat kajing temu wan phami no ya ki basa bian hakajaka jong sipai lani ke Defence Estate Office ka badan halum survey marjam ka themmetor kat ko makai pot bala ai da ka HYC. UDC upentip bakayeng kasyari kan siam ya karai hak arap hunyo trik ujamang bat ulong bakatay kajaka kabadon ki basa abian kahap baka Defence Estate Officer Guwahati syusyu ka Defence Estate Office kala job ya kamukot duma halor ka jinglong tara ya katay kajaka perhadian kani kilha ya ke eviction notice ni phami no iki basa abian Herai kini kalit sakayeng kasyari bat kayeng kasyari kala penmi ya ka stay order ni penne ko bakalong bala batha halor ka jing phami no day ban buat renti ya ki kendon an bat ha ka jing ten bishar ha uno opera arja rupulai kayeng kasyari kala bu tarik ban syong bishar biang halor kani ka kam hau arhu pratrik ujemang arja arusau laong UDC Sadhu. UDC ula batha ya USP ke East Khasi Hills ban IT ya ka kaipot halor ka jinglong jingman ha ka tei ka jaka khnang ba enyo ban le ya ka badon kam bad ha badon kanu ka an lani pen khen ya ki kandon an ha ka bayadai ba ka jing kano badon ki jingle kam sneu ha ka tei ka jaka UDC ulong ba ka jingelang kala shim ya ka rai ban thau da ka joint committee halor kani kaman Ulaong ba kilapan ru ya kai pot na ki pulit halor ka jing kano ba ka don ka jing khai drugs hakte ka jaka ba benti kana ya ki jaka ba bagi kam ki bale hakte ka jaka UDC ulaong ba kayeng ka syari kala IC order tang halor ka jing phami no ya ki rekam khang pat ikilat ba don kanu ka jing ta ya ka syong suk syong sangan ba syeme kinu ki senjam ba penne ya ka syong suk ba syong sangan
We are forming a joint committee of our office and Defence Estate Office and from Police and Municipal Board, and we are sending a team. So in addition to this law and order report that we are getting from the police, so as soon as we go for field inspection and verification, we will take immediate action to ensure that these activities should be stopped.
When are you going for field inspection?
This week itself. This week.
There are also allegations that drugs are being sold in that area.
Yeah, so for this, as I said in the beginning, so as this place, because allegations are there that this place is being used for drug peddling and drug smuggling, so we are seeking a report from police after due verification, particularly the activities that are being done in this particular place, so that we can take in so setting aside the court status quo that is only for the eviction, but for the law and order, it will not stop us to taking corrective measures for maintenance of the law and order. So if it is found to be true, then we will take immediate action again. Title suit has already been decided earlier, only in 2016, if I remember correctly. But this is, as we see the papers showed by the Defence Estate Office and their team. So it is about the due process for eviction of these people who are staying there. So that is where they have asked for the response from the Defence Estate Office. So they sought time for their response, and they fixed it 27th May, and now their Defence Estate Office, they say that they are ready with their response. On 27th May they are hopeful for lifting of the status quo for this place where they have already issued eviction notice. If the status quo is no longer there, then we can immediately initiate for the eviction of this place.
Right. Nakaliang ke edeseng HYC hapa pen pioneer kalaya UDC uba Roy Kupar senram uong ba Deputy Commissioner Don Kamen penlong na kajinglet pensisya hapo katay kajaka lani ka spot verification yakinong song hapo ulum survey uba Roy ulong ba kajinglet pensisya hapo kajaka halum survey rengkat ka office DC katana Defence Estate Office DEO ka Shillong Containment Board SCB ki pulit lambat kaseng HYC kaseng hi kamla ban pedangnya ka jingkam jong UDC baya menta omla ban kendangnya ki basa bian haulum survey da bakam ba kini ka jaka kadon kes hakut ka office DEO kala job ya ka kes ban kamtra ya ka tei ka jaka nadu usnam arhajan riu baglapat notice ru shalangot ki baseng dukan ha ka tei ka jaka laong ba Roy Kupar u ba Roy Kupar laong ba ya ka ba menta ka kes kadon hakut kabathik hapadeng ka DO bat laingut ki baseng dukan haki jaka barit komba saus pa lani san spa square feet Henry barok ka jaka kalong try da ka office jong DO nolor kani uba roy kupar loong bala da ki board district kimla ban le ai halor kani kaseng kan shim da ki wei pat ki senjam pat ki board district kin hap ban ba clear
Anika press briefing kalong halor ka jungyo yangi jongi menden ya ka statement ya kabala ai do UDC jong ka East Kasial district ngilai I bana kalyang jong UDC jong ka East Kasial district lokot ya ka jingalang jong ki stakeholder sebagai day to ka jaka po lum survey bana kalyang jong ka seng ngilalap hadin mangilal ipet ya to ka jaka ngilalap ka jing shong bean jong ki brio to ka jaka ya bana kalyang jong ka seng ngila ajing tho ki bor ba day pet ya to ka jaka ba kentup ru ya ka sorkar jela ka jongi ha kabana kalyang jong deputy CM ha to singi hi ula tha ya DC jong East Kasial ba udai ban shem kam kloi bat ban penbet bat ban pet ya ka jing dawa jong ka seng ti kat kum ka jing so thu ka jongi kalong bana kalyang jong DC jong East Kasial lokot meeting menen ka si ya ka cantonment board ya defense ya office jong defense estate officer ba kumju ru na kalyang jong ka Shillong municipal board bana kalyang jong police department hot ngilai I ba UDC jong ka East Kasial sula pentip ba ula penpau yangi abai dei bat ki kam runar la ni ki kam sneu ki bami na ka to ka jaka na kalyang jong DC ula de ban ai direction ya ka police department ba kan le ya ka badon kam na ka benta ban te la kam ya kanika ya ki jing sneu ki bami na ka to ka jaka kumbang ila penpau long ba ki jing lomba ka jinglet ka jongi ba kani ka jaka ka dei kata ka hub la ni ka jaka pedeng ka bami shibun ki jing sneu kham tam ya ka jing supply drugs bat ki ki jing sneu ti habai dei ba to ka benta ngi soban ai khule UDC ba ka jing shim ka jong u yang ne kam knang man penting kenapa kani ka jaka kanom de ka jaka ka bami shibun ki kam sneu ndai ka wei ka ba pen ka bangi ngim so ya hab ya ka jing kren jong DC ka long ba ka jing dawa jong ka sek nadu ka bastang ka long ba dei ban weng ni kini ki brio na kani ka jaka tendrai kat kum ka statement ka ba DC pen mi menen ka singi ong ba un up hadu banda don kata ka rai jong ka kut ka ar nyu trik jong mentau banai namar ba kat kum ka jing so thu jong DC kani ka kam lani kani ka jaka ka don hapo ka jing ele kies ndre na kalyang jong ka seng hadin mangilale ban jurip ya to ka jaka hadin mangilale ya kendu ya ki bor ki badai pet ya to ka jaka ngilawat jing tip rut nalade ha badai bat kata kita ki kies ki bana kalyang jong ka cantonment board bana kalyang jong ka defense estate officer kan pa kat kum ka jing wat jing tip ka jongi hadu menta kumba kalong hi ka defense estate officer kala de ban job ya kies ya to ka jaka tarik baningkong hadin bala job ya kies na kalyang jong ka defense estate officer kila ai notice ya laingut ki brio ki badon ya ka business activities ki jong ki hakatu ka jaka bat kita ki laingut ki brio ki don tangi ki dukan bat ki kam try tang ya ka jaka ka ba we brio ka long tang arspa adu san spa square feet ki don laingut ki brio we arngut ki badon ya ki scrap ya ka tu ka scrap shop hong tu na ni ka ki jaka ba lum ya ki scrap materials but iwe pat ide brio banan ti ki dukan hong tu akhmat ndre ka jaka lat na kata ketu ka jaka ka ba shong ki brio ki mangi ong ki shong bean kam don ki se kata ka de kat kum ka jing tip ka jong ni kaumut ba ka jing ong jong DC ba kani ka kam ka long sub judice ka district administration ka nomla ban le ka long ke kamlong ka ba ka kamlong ka ka ba shisha ti halor kata ka nong rem na kalyang ka jong ni menta ka sngi hi ngila de ban tho how deputy commissioner jong ka East Kasial how SP jong ka East Kasial ha ka office jong defense estate officer kum juru how chief executive officer ban penpang ba nakalyang ka jongi hadin mangilawat jingtip ngila kendu ru wat ikini gibrio ki balik kies uwe ni kita ki balik kies ngila adep ban kendu yo tau brio balik kies ba nakalyang jong tau brio balik ka kies ula keren hangi nak basai ban ong ba ka jingele kies ka jong u ka David thik yang itu jakai ba don ka to ka business ban deal ha kiskra kate ka jaka ka balat nang tu kiti ki jaka ki begitu gibrio ki shong ki sa kam don bentai ba hakata ka kies ka ba menta ka don apo ka court jong district judge ti nakalyang jong kaseng ni ong ba bansyai ya kani kam khnang ba district administration khnang ba kibor sorkar kin sauthu ba habai dei bat kini ki jaka ke bele kies mo lightly kita gidukan lani ki jaka lai jong laingut kibrio nakalyang jong kaseng ong kat ba kies kadang don mlele kamat sa aku makalong ai bakakut kan rai nrei habai dei pat bekini ki prapo haduk shispa teli ki long yeng ki basyong basa be an hang tu nakliang jong kaseng ni kwa bekini ya kini ki briu dei ban weng no mardo teknang ban ya syai hajaka nakaliang jong kaseng ni la tho mentang kesengi sikini ki sau teli ki office ban dawa ba kidei ban pelong da spot verification haringkat bat keseng lada gi kot yangi bat kumju ru haringkat begitu ki briu ki bodon ni ke kies kenang ba udisi ngi sautu abu udon ho office le si kidon gi jing ai jing mut na shani shatai syai ba ya ka kam tingi kwa kenang ba ka district administration kenang ba ka office jong defense estate officer kin lap ya ka jing shisha bat kin shim kam kloy ya ka ni kam ngi kwa ba kidei ban pelong da ka spot verification ka mut ba kin lej hajaka kin khot ya gitu ki briu ki bay le ya ka kies maki kin pen i kanu ka jaka ka bay le kies bat kani ka balat ka mut ba kani ka jaka ka bay shong pat kini ki illegal settlers yaki dei ban shim kam no employ te kata kari ka jing dawa ka jongi ya ka bangi la da ban ai menta ka singi bat ngin up apo sitayo bala da ka sorka la da ka district administration ba kibor ki bade pet kimle ai nakaliang da ka seng ban si bangin sa shim pat da kwe ka kam ha ka ba kani ka jing thok ngila ong bala da ka district administration kam le ai om nakaliang da ka seng ngin sa khot ngin sa let hi harangkat ki press ki media ban let chajaka harangkat bakini ki bri bele kes nang bagi pat ba kinom sothuk bakala markat kum gajing mi jong DC gajing keren jong DC menen kala perlong penret mensiam yangi bat kamjur ye kinong nong shong shong ban sothuk bakala bakanir kan de we kam ka bale se kan sa teng dan kala yang jongi ngim kwa ban pen sa teng ni ka kam ma sisiem bangila sim ni kwa bakan mangin koi sa ka song umut ba kinong shong thap kinong shong bean ka jaka la kalong jong ka sorka la kalong jong kan chen men buat ka bodon ya po rilung khasi ba jan chang ne po rilung jongi kan ya jala ka jongi kidei ban cha be la da kim biang ya ki kwa ki slak ki jongi ba ki shong ka kita jaka te kata ka jing pensyai na kaliang jongi bu kumjur ka jing dawa ka jongi na ki bor sorkar bu kumjur na ka kan chen men buat